Introducing our coupling sliding door sets a new standard in the realm of sliding door design. The design intricacies extend to the incorporation of accessories, featuring a meticulously engineered mold seal and bolt locks on middle mullion. The result is an unparalleled mute effect that redefines the acoustic experience within the living space. One of the key design challenges addressed by Sainty coupling sliding door is the sliding door track. The track's flat rail design not only enhances the convenience for disabled people, but also eliminates any potential accumulation of debris by cover ash grooves. The choice of high-hardness stainless steel for the slide material not only ensures a striking appearance, but also simplifies the cleaning process, enhancing overall maintenance convenience. Recognizing the diverse needs of customers, Sainty coupling sliding door offers the height option for the sliding door track. The 4-ohm variant caters to the city with heavy rain installations, while the 2.5 option is for special settings. The excellence of the coupling sliding door accessories are pure imported accessories. These joints undergo rigorous testing, including 8,000 trouble-free tests, ensuring superior durability. With a track record that meets the stringent criteria of no replacement within 15 years, these imported fittings exemplify the commitment to longevity and reliability. In essence, Sainty coupling sliding door not only exemplifies cutting-edge design and functionality, but also underscores a commitment to quality and durability.